How to fix Snapchat story not deleting. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have strong internet connection. Now if you have posted a story on your Snapchat and you change your mind to delete it, and if you are not unable to do that, the first reason might be your slow internet connection. So go to your internet setting and make sure that you have proper internet connection. If not, try to switch your internet connection with your mobile data as well. And if that still doesn't help you, now you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version. Now to update your application, open a Play Store in your mobile device and in the search bar, search for Snapchat. And if you have an update option there, tap on update, and once you update your application, check for your issues and check whether you are able to delete your story or not. After you open your application, and if the update doesn't help you, then what you have to do is you have the clear cache option in Snapchat, so you have to do that. Now open up Snapchat in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From here, tap on this Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. That'll take you to your profile page. From here again, tap on this gear icon from the top right corner. Here scroll down and under more information section, there you'll find an option as clear cache. Tap on it. After that, you have to confirm by tapping on this continue, but before that, make sure to read this information on this pop-up box that says all of your caches will be cleared, your memory's backup won't be deleted. So sometimes clearing the caches from your application will remove all the junk files and on the glitches on your application, which might help you to solve the problem. Once you clear the cache for your Snapchat, now you can check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, you have to close Snapchat from your device. For that, swipe your screen, and if the Snapchat app is working at the background, you have to clear that. After that, once again restart your device. Once you restart, open up the application and your problem will be fixed. So these are the ways to fix Snapchat story not deleting problem in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.